Good morning everyone. Welcome to my class. In this class, ctet 2023, this is the preparation class. In this class, I am going to discuss one of the important topic in logical reasoning, that is statement and argument. Very interesting topic and also very important topic also. Okay, let us start the class. Once again everyone, very good morning. Let us discuss with first question. Okay, before going to the question, let us discuss. These are the important words. If you know the words, if these words are there in the sentence, then you can judge whether the statement is strong argument or weak argument. These are the few important words you have to remember. You can easily remember which one is a strong argument and also which one is a weak argument. If the statement is discussing about or otherwise telling any important thing about security of nation, then that statement it will belong to strong argument, security of nation. Remember, if anything is talking about the security of nation, definitely it would be a strong argument. Then development of a country. If any statement is talking about the development of a country, definitely it should be a strong argument. Then universal truth, some facts we have the universal truth, that truth also they will define the strong argument. Then instruction from the supreme authorities in the Supreme Court, otherwise in the supreme authority, otherwise in the constitution. We are following some laws based on the constitution. If anything it will be based on the supreme authority, definitely it will be a strong argument. Then based on experience, if any statement we are solving here based on the experience, definitely it would be a strong argument. Next one, educational development. Yes, if the development is based on the education, then also it will be a strong argument. Then which are the words they will indicate the weak argument? Over exaggeration. If any statement is telling over exaggeration, otherwise emotionally, if anything is based on the emotional or over exaggeration, definitely it would be a weak argument. Then assumption. Normally assumption it will be based on a weak argument. Assumption always it is not a fact. It depends upon the person to person how we will think. Some we can assume facts, some we can't. Means it will be assumption, it will change based on the person to person, therefore it will be a weak argument. Then if you are having the words in the statement like each, nothing, every, all, only, remember the words each, nothing, every, all, only. These words if they are there in the statement, then it will indicate it is a weak argument. Then comparison. If anything, any quantity, whether it is a living, non-living thing, if we are comparing any two quantities, definitely it will be a weak argument. Comparison of any two things or person like that. Otherwise between the countries, anything. Then ambiguous. This is also one of the important thing. Next one, of explained argument. If any argument is explained offly, then it will be a weak argument. If any statement is explaining fully with fact, then it will be a strong argument. But here the of explained arguments, it will be a weak argument. Therefore remember these words, important words, definitely they will tell to distinguish between the strong argument also weak argument. Very important thing. Let us discuss with the question, then you will come to know how these words it will help to differentiate between the strong and weak argument. Next one, statement 1, should military training, very important one, should military training be made compulsory in our country? They are telling, should military training be compulsory in our country? Argument, yes, every child go through this training. No, it is not compulsory in the USA. Let us consider the first argument. Here in the statement they are telling, should military training be made compulsory in our country? Is it possible? Otherwise can we make like this, they are asking here. But here first one is every, see the word, already I told, if you see the word every, definitely it will indicate it is a weak argument. Why it is a weak argument? Yes, every child should go through this training. Military training is not the easy one, and also all the children maybe they will be not interested, because every child, every children, they will be differ in their physical and also mental health, correct? No, it will be based on the physical and mental health. Therefore all the children may not practically it is not possible all the children should join the military training. Therefore this one is a weak argument, because we can't force any person, any children's compulsory you have to attend a military training. Therefore this one is a weak argument. Then next one, this is the weak argument. Let us move to the next one. No, it is not compulsory in the USA. Here in the statement we are talking about our country, we are talking only India, but here we are comparing. Already I told, when you are having the comparison, always it will indicate a weak argument. Weak argument, correct? No, when you are comparing something with other country, this is also a weak argument. It is not compulsory in the USA. We don't know anything about USA, whether they are forcing to, otherwise they have the rule, all the children they have to join military training. We don't know anything, only blindly we can't compare. No, it is not compulsory in USA, we don't know. When we are comparing things between two countries, comparison, definitely it will be a weak argument. Then according to this statement both the arguments are weak. Then here you have to, here they are not given anything weak. Let us, if only one argument is strong, first one argument is weak, therefore this one is not. If only argument 2 is strong, not a strong, not a strong argument. If either 1 or 2 is strong, no, this also not possible. If neither 1 nor 2 is strong, this one is correct. Neither means it will indicate no, neither 1 nor 2 is strong, because both are weak. But here they are not given any option based on the weak statement. Here they are given the option based on the strong statement, strong argument, sorry, not statement, strong argument. Therefore the correct answer for this question is, if neither 1 nor 2 is strong. If both 1 or 2 strong, this is also false. Based on this option, option 4 is the correct one. If neither 1 nor 2 is strong, neither means both also not strong. If neither 1 nor 2 is strong, don't get confused between either, neither. Either it will indicate a positiveness, either 1 or 2, maybe 1 or 2 is correct. Either, neither means both also not correct thing. Okay, don't get confused in that one. Let us move to the next question, very easy question. If you know to solve, how can we solve this question based on the statement and argument? It will be very easy, easily you can solve it. Only simple logic you have to use here. You have to understand the statement, then only statement, whatever there in the statement, only stick to that one. Whatever the information they are given, stick to that one. Then 50% of your answer it will be accurate, correct. Let us move to the next question. Statement, should abortion be legalized in India? Yes, should abortion be legalized in India? They are talking about the law or legal. Yes, it is legal in many countries. Here, see, many countries. Already here, the comparison. Many countries. They are here in the statement, should abortion be legalized in India? They are talking only India, but in the argument, yes, it is legal in many countries. Many countries means comparing. Comparing means definitely it will be a weak argument. Very easy, I told no. Next, no. Abortion is also a kind of murder. Abortion is also a kind of murder. Here, murder, this word, it is over exaggeration. Correct, no? And here, they are not given any evidence. They are not given any evidence why we have to stop. No, abortion is also a kind of murder. Therefore, this is also a weak argument. Both also weak argument. Here, statement once again I will read. Should abortion be legalized in India? They are asking. Here, yes, it is illegal in many other countries. Comparison, definitely it is a weak argument. No, abortion is also a kind of murder. Here, murder, it is, that word is exaggerating, and also it is not showing any evidence. Therefore, it is a weak argument. Already I given the list. Please keep the listed words in your mind. Which word, otherwise what is the meaning of the word? It will strongly tell whether the argument is strong or weak. That's why I given the list. Please revise the list. It will be very helpful for you. Then here both also weak argument. Then here the option D, it will be the correct answer, because if neither 1 nor 2 is strong. Neither 1 nor 2 is strong. Both also weak. Therefore, neither 1 nor 2. Let us move to the next question. Question number 3. Statement 1. Should disarmament policy be adopted by India? Here they are talking about the disarmament policy be adopted by India. Argument, yes, it will promote peace. Yes, we have to adopt that one, because it will promote peace. Would encourage other country to do the same. Here talking about other country means definitely it will comes under comparison. Comparison means definitely it will be a weak argument. Up to here it will be a strong. Yes, it will promote peace. Up to here it is strong. But here would encourage other countries to do the same, then it will become a weak argument. No, it will pose a security threat to India. Here this it will be a strong argument, because here only talking about India. It is a strong argument. No, it will pose a security threat to India. Therefore, it is a strong argument. Here, option in this, according to this one, only option 2 is a strong argument. If only argument 2 is strong. First argument is weak because we are comparing with other country. Therefore, weak argument. But in the second one, they are talking about only India. Therefore, it is a strong argument. Then here the correct answer, it will be option B, if only argument 2 is strong. Let us move to the next question. Easy questions. Question number 4. Statement, should the private sector be allowed to participate in development of railways? Should the private sector be allowed to participate in the development of railway? Here the statement is talking about the development. Development means that is a positive approach, correct? Now development of railways means development of the country, it will happen. Yes, this is one of the ways to provide better service to the public. Definitely it is a strong argument. Why it is a strong argument? Because it is giving positive approach to development of the railways. If development of the country, definitely it will be a strong argument. Then next one, no, there there will be exploitation and fare may also increases. Here 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 they are talking about the development of the country, that is a strong argument. Here the positive approach it will be there here in the first argument. In the second argument there will be a negative approach. And also when there is a negative approach, if one argument is positive, another one is negative, definitely it is a weak argument. Then here argument, then here against the development, this second argument is telling sorry against the development of the country. Therefore option 1 is the correct answer if only argument 1 is strong. Okay, keep in mind, if any argument is telling about the development of the country, definitely it should be a positive development. If anything is telling otherwise opposed to the development, definitely it will be a negative or weak argument. Therefore in this, according to this statement, option A it will be the correct answer if only argument 1 is strong here. That's why whatever the list of words I given and also I explained the concept, remember that one. It will be very easy. You can accurately you can judge which one is a strong and also which one is a weak argument. Next question, should more big industries be started in urban areas? Argument, yes, it will create job opportunities. Sorry, see, if you are should more big industries be started in urban areas, if you start big industries in the urban areas, they are asking in the statement, then argument 1, yes, it will create job opportunities. Yes, this argument is telling the advantage. If anything is telling about the advantage of the country, otherwise advantage of the job, definitely it will be a strong argument. This is the strong argument. Then next one, then move to the next argument. This one is the strong one, strong argument. Okay, next one, strong argument. Then second one, no, it will increase population and also pollution. No, when you develop, otherwise when you develop more industries in the urban area, it is telling no, it will increase population and also pollution. Here it is this argument, it is telling disadvantage. If any statement is telling the disadvantage and also whatever it is telling, that is this truth it is telling, no, it will increase population and also pollution. See what will happen in the urban areas if you develop more country, more industries, like in the Bangalore only. Bangalore is full of companies. Therefore Bangalore city itself, it is a crowded and also even pollution also more, population also more. But here in the argument it is telling disadvantage. It is, even though it is telling disadvantage, this is also a strong argument because it is telling the truth. Whatever it is telling disadvantage, but it is telling the truth. First one, if you In the urban areas, if you developed more industries, what will happen? First argument, yes, it will create job opportunities. Definitely, when you are having more number of industries, definitely it will create a job opportunities. That's why it is a strong argument. Next one, when you create job opportunities, definitely all the peoples, they will come and stay in that urban areas. Then it will increase the population, and also because of increase in population, definitely it will increase the pollution. Both also strong argument. Therefore, correct answer for this question is, but here both also strong, but when we will choose the option here, what here they are given 5 option. Here first one is, I told, it is giving advantage. First argument is telling advantage. Second one is telling disadvantage. When you are having like this argument, one is advantage. Advantage may be moving in this direction. Disadvantage, it is moving in this direction. Then you have to choose any one of the argument, either first or second. You have to choose any one. Therefore, correct answer for this question is, if either 1 or 2 is strong, because both also at a time it can't strong. Both also strong arguments, but here first argument is telling advantage, second one is telling disadvantage, but both the argument are very strong. But both also we can't choose at a time, because both the statement, assume if both also telling both advantages, then we will consider both also. If both 1 and 2 are strong, if both the statements, otherwise both the arguments are telling strong and also advantages, then we can choose this option, both 1 or 2 are strong. But here one argument is telling advantage, another argument is telling disadvantage. Therefore, according to the argument, we have to choose if either 1 or 2 is strong. Very important question. Like this question only definitely they will ask in the exam. Next one, statement. It is it essential to ensure that all food supplied for a consumption remains unadulterated and uncontaminated? Argument, yes. First, fundamental right under the constitution. If anything is telling about the constitution or fundamental right, definitely it is a strong argument. Strong argument, definitely. Already I told in the list, if any argument is explaining about, telling about the constitution of India, otherwise fundamental right, definitely it should be a strong argument. Next one, next argument, no, virtually all items of food in India have chemicals and also adulterants. Here they are, this argument they are telling about the risking factor they are telling. Therefore, this one it is a weak argument. Therefore, according to this arguments, option 1 is the correct answer if only argument 1 is strong. Why only 1 is strong? Because it is telling about the fundamental rights under the constitution of India. Therefore, it is a strong argument. But second one, no, virtually all items of food in India have chemicals. Here they are telling about the negative things and also risk factor they are telling. Therefore, it is a weak argument. Let us move to the next one, 7th question. Yes. Statement. Should government relax foreign direct investment? Argument. No, it will not help the domestic trades. Yes, it will boost growth. Here, no, it will not help the domestic trades. Here, it is talking about the against development. Here, wait a minute. This argument is talking against development. against development it is talking, therefore it is a weak argument. Because should government relax foreign direct investment, they are asking. No, it will not help the domestic trades. Domestic trades, it is talking about the against the development, therefore it is a weak argument. Next, it will boost growth. Yes, it is talking about the positive development, then this it will be a strong argument. See, if any statement is talking about the development, positive development, definitely it is a strong argument. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. If only argument, second one is strong, first argument is weak. Next, question number 8. Statement, should basic computer knowledge be made a compulsory subject? Basic computer knowledge be made a compulsory subject? Yes, definitely, because basic computer knowledge is necessary for all the age group of not only children, elders, then common people, everyone. Because nowadays, like almost every work and also job and also your basic knowledge, everything it will be based on the computer knowledge. If you know the computer, everything you can search in the Google. Yes, you can get the information very easily. Therefore, that is the basic one. According to the statement I am explaining, I am not assuming anything. Should basic computer knowledge be made a compulsory subject? No, there are many other important courses available which should be made compulsorily. Here, see, this statement is strongly talking about the need of basic computer knowledge. Definitely you should have need. If statement is very strong, basic computer knowledge is compulsory for a compulsory subject. But here in the argument opposing that one, no, there are many other important courses available which should be made compulsory. Here they are talking against the statement, therefore this one is a weak argument. Because basic computer knowledge be made a compulsory subject, they are discussing in the statement, but argument definitely reverse of that one, definitely it will be a weak argument. Next one, no student should be given the choice. Here this is also a weak argument, because see, already in the statement crystal clear they are given basic computer knowledge be made compulsory subject. Then if compulsory subject, then how the students they can choose the other one? That's why reading the statement, understanding the statement is very important. Because when you concentrate only argument, you will get confused. First understand the statement, how much the statement is strongly they are telling should basic computer knowledge be made compulsory subject. Here definitely arguments they are telling no, opposite that one, therefore both also a weak argument. Then negative, then definitely option D is the correct answer. If neither 1 nor 2 is strong, neither 1 or 2, in no one it will be a strong. Next, ninth one. Next statement, because one more video I did in statement and conclusion also, please go through that video also, very important one. Here also those you are watching in the middle, you will not get understand anything, because in the beginning of the classes I explained in detail how we can judge the argument is strong and weak argument. That's why please go through the video from the beginning, then only you can answer the questions easily. Otherwise you will get confused how to choose strong and weak argument, how to decide, it will be difficult for you. Okay. Next, ninth one, statement, is the government justified in spending such a huge amount on space mission? See, nowadays the government is spending more amount on the research of space mission. Then argument, yes, they are telling space mission of the country or of paramount importance. Then here this one, it is giving, it is telling weak, this it will be a weak argument. Why it is a weak argument? A space mission of the country or of paramount importance. Paramount importance is there, but here they are not given directly. Why it will have, what is the necessary? They are not telling any necessary. They are not given more importance, more information. Therefore, it is a weak argument. Next one, no. If the amount is spent on development work, everybody will benefit from it. If any argument is telling about the development, definitely it will be a strong argument. Development of work. Therefore, it is a strong argument. Understood? Then according to this, option B, it will be the correct if only argument 2 is strong, argument 1 is the weaker one. Let us move to the next question. Question number 10. Statement. First 10th statement. Should government close down loss making public sector enterprises? Argument, no. All employee will lose their jobs and earnings. This one is the weak. Why it is a weak? Practically it is not possible, not practical. Correct, no? Not practical. Should government close down loss making public sector enterprises? How can the government, it can close? No, all employees will lose their jobs and also earnings. It is practically it is not possible. Yes, in a competitive world, the rule is survival of the fitness. Here they are telling the universal truth. They are talking about the universal truth. Therefore, it is a strong argument. If anything is talking about the universal truth or fact, definitely it will be a strong argument. In the beginning of the class only I told it will be a strong argument. Therefore, argument 1 is weak, argument 2 is strong argument. Then only option B, it will be the correct answer if only argument 2 is strong. Today's last question. Statement. Should capital punishment be abolished? Argument, yes, it should be abolished because life is the gift of God. Even the state has no right to take away one's life. Very strong argument. Should capital punishment be abolished? Argument, they are telling yes, it should be abolished because life is the gift of the God. Strongly they are telling life is the gift of the God. Even the state has no right to take away one's life. Strong, very, very strong argument. Next, no. Ignorance of law is making all the culprits fearless. So it is to reduce the crime rate. Capital punishment is necessary. This also strong. Why it is this also strong argument? Because here they are telling about the fact and also they are telling about the experience. Therefore, both 1 and 2. Option E, both 1 and 2 are strong argument. Here I discussed only 11 important questions based on the topic statement and also argument. Very, very important topic. And also whatever I explained in the beginning, how to choose, otherwise how to select, otherwise how you can differentiate between the strong and weak argument. If you know the importance one, if you judge properly, then you can answer these questions very easily. And also carefully you have to read the statement. Reading the statement, understanding the statement, it is very, very important when you will solve like these questions. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Maybe in the next class I am going to take reason Thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. We will meet in the next class. Okay.